Good morning and welcome to the Trichy Plus YouTube channels. Today I will introduce to you a new topic, and the topic is the Ielts, or the International English Language Testing System. Why do you need to do this test? This is a mandatory test that any candidate who wants to go abroad and whose mother tongue is not English will have to take either the academic test if they intend to do higher studies, or a profession that requires a higher proficiency in English. For the candidates who are moving towards migration or professions that do not require a higher proficiency in English, you could opt for the general training. Having given you these two titles, I would like to share with you that there are 4 modules in the test. The 4 modules are the listening, reading, writing, and speaking. But these 4 modules are not common to both the categories. Only the listening and the speaking remains common to both categories, whereas the academic reading is separated by a general training reading, and similarly the academic writing is different from the general training writing. Now, in the overview, candidates, you need to understand that this is a mandatory test and you will be putting all your effort to get a very good band score. The band scores are from 0 to 9. If you want to get a good band score, well, it's in your hands. Extra practice, and with the videos that we will supply through the Trichy Plus YouTube channel, you should be able to reach your goal. I'd like to bring home to you what is the background that you need. You need to do wide reading. You need to do extensive listening to different accents as English is spoken in the various countries where English is the common language of communication. For your writing, improve on your primary skills, brush up your grammar skills, think about what you want to write, how you want to write it, and how you match the structure of writing. In speaking, you need to be fluent, coherent, have an extensive lexical resource, and keep your pronunciation neutral. This is what I mean when I talk about the overview. In session 1, I am talking about the necessity to do this test, the validity, which is for 2 years, and the duration of each module. The reading module will last for 1 hour. The listening module will take you 30 minutes and you are given 10 minutes to transfer your answers. Your writing module is again for 1 hour, and the final speaking module, the duration is from 0 to 14 minutes. Sometimes it can end at the 11th or the 12th minute. Are you wondering how you will be able to compact all these 4 modules on a single day? Don't worry. 3 modules are done on a day. The speaking is done either before the test, day of the listening, reading, and writing, or the speaking test follows the listening, reading, and writing. We give you enough opportunities to prepare for this Ielts program. All you need to do is start reading, start listening, listen to understand, not to reply. Start writing once again. Bring out your skills of writing and be ready to have a good conversation. I would ask you, if you want further details, to get in touch with the contact number 87547688888. You will get a lot of information when you get in touch through the website. If you have found this YouTube channel very useful, subscribe to this channel. We will post further videos to help you in your preparation on your journey to excelling in the IELTS program. For notifications, press the bell icon. If you find the video useful, share the same with your friends. Thank you for staying with us.